So pull up here and let's see your bike.
There you go.
Awesome. So, what do we got here, Lucas?
A lot.
All right, so let's show them.
Bike check?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. We'll start off at the top. We have the Blue Perfect 10 bars, which obviously 10 inches, and we have the Snafu Jet Fuel brake lever. We got some new Colt Vans grips and some pink ODI bar ends. And we got Snafu forks in there, and we got an Academy Jet Fuel stem. We got some purple Verde rims, some Kink tires.
Severs.
Yeah.
Your Kink severs.
And then we have the brand new 2020 Kink Whip frame. We got
brand new, guys. It just came out.
And we got a Snafu seat post. I don't know what brand it is, but a purple seat clamp. A jet fuel sprocket. Some Mission purple cranks. Some Odyssey pink pedals. I think it's a Snafu.
It's a Salt.
Salt. And we have a purple chain.
The sprocket was made by Colony. And this is Luke's new bike. We just got it today. It is the new Kink 2020 Whip.
Made in Taiwan.
With some new parts. It is 100% chrome moly. It is the whip. Does it say Kink Whip on there now? Anywhere, like mine did?
Yeah.
Where does it say whip?
Right here it says whip.
All right, so if you guys can see, right there,
Right here.
Kink Whip. Because there was a kid on one of our last videos that goes, that's not a whip, that's not a whip. Dude, it's a whip. It's the 2020 whip. Just like mine was the 2017 whip. So, Luke's just cruising around. You know, Luke's grown about 8 inches since the last time we really even shot any videos for BMX. So he did step up to the full chrome moly frame. And didn't fake you away. But that's his new bike. It is a lot lighter. The Perfect 10s are going to help him out because he did get taller. And
My brakes are still squeaky.
your brakes are still squeaky, but yeah, you know, what are you going to do? At least they stop you. So we got this. That's grease. And they put it together. We got this bike at Kegel's bike shop up in Rockford, Illinois. So make sure to, if you're in this area, check them out and
Their
support.
Instagram's Kegel's Bicycle Store.
Yep,
Go
and
follow them, please.
go follow them, give them a shout out.
Follow
Tell
Kink
them,
BMX and Snafu BMX
yeah,
too.
tell them Lucas Games 264 sent you. And so yeah, it was time to.
It's really light too.
It was time to move up to a frame that was much better than the hardened steel, and chrome moly's it. So you'll be seeing more videos. He just pulled a 180 disaster, and I'm not even watching it.
Didn't get it?
Nope, I was too busy talking.
Perfect.
Let's see it again. He's going to pull a 180 disaster, and we'll sign off. But anyway, guys, this is the 2020 Kink Whip. Just came out, and we're really, really happy with it. Now me and him both own a whip. The other one was better, and I didn't get it. So anyway, guys, this is Dad and Lucas for Lucas Games 264 with Luke's new 2020 Kink Whip. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.